Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Better Homes and Gardens 4-Cube Vertical Organizer. This is the natural finish and it can be found on Walmart.com. Before we start, you want to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and they have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can call the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step 1, we're going to grab our 2 D panels and our 2 B panels, 8 plastic dowel pieces, and 4 cam bolts. We're going to screw the 4 cam bolts into the 2 pre-drilled holes on the middle of these 2 B panels. Next, we're going to insert 4 plastic dowels into each of these D panels. So they're basically just the 2 panels without a cam lock pre-drilled hole. So we're going to insert those into the pre-drilled holes on these panels. Here, 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 and here. So for step 2, we're going to keep our 2 B panels and our 2 D panels. Now we're going to grab the C panel. This one has the pre-drilled cam lock holes. And then we're going to need to grab our 4 cam locks. On these cam locks, you'll notice that one of the crosshairs is longer than the other ones and is more pointy. So you want to insert those into the holes so that the longer pointer is faced towards the outside of the panel where there's this pre-drilled hole on the side. So I have right here the longer edge pointed this way, right here the longer edge pointed this way, and on these longer edge pointed towards me. So now that we've inserted those cam locks, we can set up the B panels, and these 2 C panels are going to go on the outside and then this D one on the middle. Now once you have all those secure, you can secure those cam locks by turning clockwise. For step 3, we're going to grab our 2 A panels, 8 of these long bolt screws, and our 8 caps. So we're going to position our A panels up against the unit, and you'll notice that one side has a little perforations. You want those facing towards the outside so that the head of the bolt will slide right onto it. Now that you've screwed in those 4 screw bolts on the bottom piece, you can then attach your caps over the top of them. Now we're going to repeat this process on the other side. So now that you've screwed in 4 screws to each side, your unit is pretty much complete. You can set it up like this, or you can stand it up vertically. So again, if you decide to stand your unit up vertically, locate these cam locks, and you're going to want those to be facing down so you can't see it whenever the unit is standing up. So this is going to be the top of my unit. And you're going to need to screw this safety strap on, so you grab a screw, then a washer, and then put those through the strap, and then simply secure it to the top. And then once you stand the unit up, you can then attach the other side of the strap to a wall to keep the unit from falling over. So once you have that safety strap on, you can then go ahead and stand up your unit. And it is now complete.